Welcome to my apartment. I'm Sean Patrick Anderson here at Bungalow 45. I am a set designer and a prop master, and I own a prop house in Bushwick. For a person that runs around and digs into flea markets and goes to antique stores, a lot of the props end up here when they're supposed to end up at the prop house. Your cameraman pointed out to me that a bungalow cannot be a duplex. Well, I would have to disagree because this is Bungalow 45 and it is a duplex. So when you walk into my apartment, you're in the kitchen, and this is my new front door. I said, just put a snake on it. And look, the snake is perfect. And I am slowly having to put art on the ceiling because I'm running out of room. Once you start hanging art on the ceiling, you got a lot more wall space. I made this chandelier, and it is a found object / mutilated baby doll sculpture. And the reason why I have all these mirrors is just opens up the space. I still hang art over it, but it definitely makes the room feel much bigger. I did a shoot with Amy Poehler for her book, and so I ended up with the please of the yes please from the neon. On the way to the bedroom, we stop off at the bathroom. This is a vinyl snakeskin yellow treatment on the door, and then we have this beautiful display here of happy faces, and also inside. Take a look. So this is the bedroom. I made this lamp. I took two of these really tacky Greek figures, and then I mashed them together, and then I added these extra little appendages. The back wall here, I started with layers of paint that I would just pour, and then I hung more art on top of that. It's kind of a salon style, if you will, cluttery salon style. And this is a photo from Mary Ellen Matthews, Mick Jagger. We love Mick Jagger. I bought this Salvador Dalí. They did not put it on acid-free paper, so maybe in 300 years, it will be totally yellow. We're upstairs in the living room, and as you can see, there's just more art on the wall, but not on the ceiling. I took some leftover sets and I created a ceiling that sort of reminds me of a carnival ride at Coney Island. This is a Rauschenberg, and then I got a little tipsy and painted over it. But I only painted over the glass, so it's still worth a real Rauschenberg. The sofa is from West Elm. It's great, it's comfortable, it's decent leather. This came from the Chelsea Flea. This thing's amazing. It's a resin poured coffee table, probably from the 60s. Look at this hideous thing. This is something your grandma would have. I love it. Here at the top of the spiral staircase, it made the most sense to put the loft bed. So we made some sequin drapes, and boom, we reveal the blue. We have some blue bulbs going all the way around. We have beveled mirrors, so cool. It just makes the whole room feel big and weird up here. Hello, welcome to Acme Prop House here in Brooklyn, New York, where we rent all kinds of props to all kinds of productions, including NBC. We have vases, we have TVs, we have boom boxes, old cameras, new cameras, bird cages, taxidermy. And we have art, we have frames, we have mirrors, we have rattlesnakes. This is my home away from home, the playground, if you will. Okay, well now you've seen my prop house and my home, so thanks for watching.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.